Guinea customers purchased ADP 2.97 indoor EA500H7 rental screens from EagerLED Rental LED Display Company. The size of the LED display is 500 by 500 millimeters. The LED screen in the video has a huge installation area and excellent display effect. The EA500H7 Rental LED Screen Power Box adopts a hard connection design, which can be quickly disassembled and installed through buckles. The hidden wiring design improves the overall aesthetics and safety of the LED display. The EA500H7 Rental LED display uses a dedicated LED module and supports curved surface installation. Slide to control the curvature, accurately adjust the curve, and it is easy to use. The EA500H7 Rental LED display supports external and internal curved surface installation, can be seamlessly spliced into a cylinder, and the fully enclosed splicing provides the audience with a comfortable and smooth visual effect. EagerLED's EA500H7 Rental LED display screen is widely used in various scenarios, including event sites, exhibitions, concerts, broadcasting, sports, commercial displays, religious places, etc. Its flexibility and easy installation make it an ideal choice for long-term use. Finally, thank you for your support and wish us a pleasant cooperation.